Good evening, welcome to Bruce's Box Breaks. It's April the 27th, Saturday night. It's 9:30 right about. Here's the last team sold for break number 28, Winnipeg Jets, and that was at 1956. Current eBay time is 17:35 Pacific and 20:35 Eastern Daylight. So we'll go to the randomizing part of it here. See who will get their team for free this time. All 30 teams listed. And we're going to randomize 4 times. The team on top at the end of it is the winner. There's Ottawa. It's 1, 2, Vancouver. Vancouver won it last week, or last break I should say. St. Louis. And number 4 is the Buffalo Sabres. So congratulations to Buffalo. You win your team for free. So well, Saint didn't cooperate with me tonight, I can see that. Alrighty. So, Hockeytown champs, congratulations. You got Buffalo for free. Here's our list of winners. And I thank you all for taking part on this Saturday night. I know there's probably lots of stuff going on, lots of hockey games on, we know that. In the second period, second intermission of the Bruin game against Washington. Boston's leading 2-0, that's good to see. That doesn't mean anything. Last time they were up 3-0. And Washington came back and beat them. So we got the box ending in 2786. Okay, and it is sealed. So, good luck everybody. Playoffs will be upon us. Oh no, look at that. No dare to tear. Now I had 2 boxes ago, I had 2 in it. And there's not one in this one. Wow. Guess I'll be complaining about that. So, no dare to tear tonight. Wow. Let's hope it's a good box. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, well, we've got a checklist of it anyway. Okay, well, again, good luck everybody. Let's see what it brings. Base. And for the Calgary Flames and St. Muir, we got J. Bomeister, yours truly autograph. That's not numbered. Very nice cards. I like those cards. And for the New York Rangers, Barkley Box Breaks. Well, welcome Barkley. Gifted Grinders of Mark Stahl, and that's not numbered. Spacer, base a base. Well, that bums me out that there's no dare to tear. Base. Base. For the Pittsburgh Penguins, Mario Lemieux. Base. Pittsburgh is 100 Century Rider. And Barkley box breaks. For the New York Rangers again, Michael Del Zotto. Winter Warriors. Nice black jersey on there. And that's not numbered. Base. What a nice day out there today. Jeez, finally. Dry up some of this water. Base. Base. And for the Winnipeg Jets, Dale Halicek. Legends base. Base, base. Yeah, it's been a wet one, but it's nice to see these next couple of days are supposed to be good. Base. Base. And Hockeytown Champs. You might have got Buffalo for free, but you got rookie roll call, Thomas Tatar. For the Red Wings. Not numbered. Spacer. Bases. Base. Base. And for the St. Louis Blues, Samantha Andrew 2011, Derek Sanderson. Spacer. Bases. And 5 packs left, so we're halfway through it. Base. Base. And for the Anaheim Ducks, Dow 34. Creases the word, Jonas Hiller. Not numbered. And for the Calgary Flames again. And St. Mir, or Stammer. I'll butcher the name, that's okay. We got Backlund, Kippersoft, and Iginla with one little swatch of jersey on there for the Flames. Nice card. Congratulations. Base and base. Base, base for the LA Kings and Dominci, Felix Potvin. Base, not numbered, or not, yeah, not serial numbered anyway. Base, and for the Oilers and Sharks 3911, got the Oilers again, Sam Gagner, red hot, not numbered, Sam Gagner. And for the New Jersey Devils, Tenabe, Parise, and Brodeur. Mosaics, no swatches. New Jersey is Timbu. Congratulations, Timothy. And we've got base. Geez, we should be hauling some rookies here soon. Base. And first rookie is Colby Cohen for the Bruins. Z rookie. No autograph, but number 225 out of 999. So that's Colby Cohen. Spacer. Base, base. Now, this should have our other rookie. Unless that yours truly counts for the auto. Well, let's see. Last pack. base. Tiger Williams for the Vancouver Canucks. Vancouver tonight is Timbu 86. Congratulations. And 2 bases. Well, I don't know what to tell you about the Dare to Tear. I guess I'll have to get a hold of Panini and see if I can get another one. If I can get one, then whoever's in the break, the card will go to you if I can get one. If it's like anything else from Panini, good luck. Their redemptions are slower than cold molasses, running uphill. Anyway, so that's our Saturday night break for Panini Zenith. Probably next week, probably around Wednesday, Thursday, something like that. We'll get another one on. Have a look for it then. Thanks very much. Have a good night.